Don't touch your face until this video ends.
This is your face. At the scale, you recognize. But this is your face at a scale you were never meant to see. These are not different things. This is the same face. And everything living on it has been there since you were a teenager. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you a photograph that a dermatology research team almost refused to release. When they tested it, every single person in the room touched their own face. I could show it to you now, but if I do, you won't be able to watch the rest of this video. So, we build to it. And when you see it, you will understand why they almost didn't release it. It lives in a space smaller than the width of a human hair, and to it, this is not your face. This is a whirl. Right now, there are thousands of them moving. It cannot defecate, so everything it produces stays inside its body, until one day it dies and dissolves inside your pore. It comes out at night, while you are asleep, to mate on your skin. The average human face has 2 million pores, and a significant number are occupied. Your skincare doesn't kill them because they don't live where your products reach. A patient walked into a clinic with severe rosacea. Standard treatment failed, so doctors tried something different. They targeted the mites. The symptoms disappeared, then came back. But this time, something was different. The mites were gone, and the skin didn't know how to function without them. They mapped its DNA, and what they found should not have been possible. The mites on your face are not the same as mine. They are different based on where your ancestors lived. This thing has been traveling with humans for tens of thousands of years. It left Africa with us. It crossed continents with us. It never left. It does not know you exist. It does not know it exists. It was born in darkness. It will die in the same place. And in that darkness, it carries the history of every place your ancestors have ever been. It is on your face right now. In 2023, researchers made a discovery. People with more mites had healthier skin. When they removed them, the skin reacted within 72 hours. The thing your body never asked for, the thing you never knew existed, may be doing something your body forgot how to do alone. You have never been alone on your own face, and it is possible you were never supposed to be.